Welcome to SC Custom Designs. This may be the last video of 2022. So basically I'm responding to, I hope they're one of my subscribers, that if you'd like to subscribe, please do so. And click that thumbs up if you like what you see. But I did a video a year plus ago, don't remember exactly when. And the video was all about why is it that I can't seem to put tension on the wheel, up or down, okay? What does that mean? So if we come around front here, this wheel goes up and down when you turn this knob here. So you have different sized blades. At the moment I have this too many teeth per inch, LOL. This is for scrolling. I don't really get those anymore. I get the 4 teeth per inch when I do the scrolling, such as these Shaloms, which is broken. And so the subscriber, again, I'm assuming, said that when he did something with one of the tension knobs or nuts, all right, that basically he couldn't tighten as much as he tried. There's several ways to do that. You fine tune with a hex here, loosen that, and then go one way or the other, up or down, which rides this little crown here. That's how you fine tune the tension. To completely take the tension off, you lift up like this. So what happened was the manufacturer's piece here, it broke. It cracked down here somewhere. And I believe the reason for that was this way when they screwed it all together and assembled it. Well, when I put the new one on, I put it more in the direction of where that tension is being pulled. And what happened inadvertently was, we're going to go up above here. You see there's a rod here. It's hard to see, sorry, a rod here and here. So these two pieces here, what was happening was this piece here was stuck underneath, not the front, but the inside of this bar here. So that's why I couldn't get any tension one way or the other, because this was stopping that. This piece here needs to float and or be able to go between these two pieces here. I believe that is what the issue is, that the subscriber, I said I would, when I got home, I would do a video. And we're going to do just a short video on this, just a little bit of a follow-up. I've done a few things maintenance-wise on my Jet. I've lost track of how old it is. So at any rate, yeah, this is your Jet 14-inch Deluxe Pro bandsaw, model JWB S14DX Pro. And so at any rate, I replaced this, and I replaced my bearings. These are actually from Carter tools, so the uppers and the lowers under here. And at the moment, yeah, I broke my last 4 teeth per inch blade, and so I'm going to put this little guy so I can finish this Shalom here. So thanks for coming into the shop of SC Custom Designs. We have 1,000 plus, I believe at this point, videos here at SC Custom Designs, and I love to interact with the folks. And please leave your comments and your questions, such as this gentleman who described the issue. So I'll try to get this up there as soon as possible. Today is December 26th, I believe. So we'll get this up there. Take care. We'll do our usual goodbyes, or gabos. Shalom uvachat, tot ziens, Zeit schön. Masalami. Take care.